Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your Netflix. To know how to fix or how to find a solution about Netflix app, you should just go to settings. After that we click apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list you will enter to the app of Netflix. When you'll find this page of app info, we click on the first app and we click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. After that we click clear cache. Then we can go to Play Store. You will search about Netflix and you can click here and install. Then you can wait a moment to install again your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.